They made them so you pull these out, the mats out,
Yep.
pull the plugs out, and you hose them out.
Bloody oath. This is a beauty. Honestly, it even smells like a good old car. Yeah, I think you did too, but you look like you're on a good line.
Yeah.
If I make a fool of myself getting into it. Ready? Huh? 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 Oh! This is my sleeping spot tonight.
Well, here we are. If you've noticed, it's probably one of our new favourite spots with one hell of a view. We're rocking the old swag tonight. We've got the two hammocks over here. Connor may or may not sleep in his hammock. He has the rest of his kit if he wants to. Otherwise, he's got his little tent set up over there.
Lunch is served.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here goes nothing.
Love it. What would your purpose for this be?
Pre-prepared.
Yeah, just at home. So it's just canned tomatoes, chili, garlic. What else is in there? Onions.
Close your ears, mate. This is a surprise for you.
Capsicum.
Yeah.
I think that's about it. You're pretty much just making tomato soup. Fancy tomato soup. So what you're going to do is warm this up on the fire, put some cream in it, make it all creamy,
Lovely.
and then you're going to do the rest.
I'm going to just sit here and do this.
Brown sugar to the bacon. So we're having tomato soup and cheese bacon toasties with a view. Alright, so normally we just share in the bush and nobody's around to see, but we saw this on Super Sale for some reason, so it could be absolute garbage or it could be good.
But yeah, I think, what did we pay? $40?
$49.
yeah.
$49.
And typically they're about $130, so
Yeah.
we shall see.
So the one from King's I think is 100 and something. This one was from Repco for $49.
I mean, so far so good, really.
I mean,
Looks much of a muchness.
yeah. You're over here.
Yeah. And then in we go. Oh yeah, she's got the little shower caddies.
Yeah, got the hangers,
Yeah,
the little arms.
Yeah.
So that's
quite flimsy.
it's not the worst. It's just thin stuff. That in place. Little weights to
That
keep
doesn't
it
touch.
square, and then the tie down points, which you won't worry about here because it's rolling off. But
Yeah,
there you go.
not a bad go. So that's another wrap on one of the most epic campsites that we've found to date. Definitely one of our favourites, as you can tell, just with the spectacular views. And you know, even though it's quite rocky, it's very flat, so that was a win-win. The only thing that we did notice was ultimately it seems that everybody is trying to make a bit of an abstract art exhibition with all their toilet paper. So if you could try and not make it a art exhibition and just bury it, that would be wonderful. Oh, this camp made us as happy as a pig in mud, so if you can find it, you'll love it. But we're not going to disclose it because we had to come and explore and find it, so if you know, you know. Like we were never here. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Yep, you're straight. Just you're going down. Yep. You're gonna tilt a bit at the back. Yep. Yep, start turning. Whoa! Jesus Christ, mate! Oh!
Good driving.
Easy, mate.
Good driving.